Okay, so we're just finishing up some beautiful wild-caught blue catfish I found at Whole Foods Market in Paramus, New Jersey today. It was $8.99 a pound. I bought about 2 pounds. A 10-minute cooking time. I used most of this jar of organic roasted verde salsa, green salsa from Whole Foods Market. This is $3.65, the budget line at Whole Foods. And to the salsa, I added some Campari tomatoes, some small, colorful tomatoes, and brought it to a boil. I used some some dried oregano and basil and some taco spices without salt. And my wife fried up some sweet plantains. So that's dinner followed by a big salad. Enjoy. Here's the plated portion. It's perfect after 10 minutes. Bring the salsa to a boil. Add the tomatoes, seasonings. Enjoy.